Shut up and sit down.
Oh, hello and welcome to a North Wales side-by-side video. A lot of the videos I make are due to questions asked by subscribers or people I meet who've got Yaris hybrids and they can't figure something out. So I always say to them, let me have a look at the problem, let me figure it out. I'll make a video, and all I ask you is to subscribe to the channel, which most of them do. So the one we're doing today is the volume on your satellite navigation when you've got your phone plugged in, either to Apple CarPlay, to operate Google Maps, Apple Maps, or ways to alter the volume. It doesn't matter which one you're on. This is a setting in the Toyota side of things. Dad asked me this question actually, and he said, I can't hear the sat-nav in my car. Because this morning he had to go to Wrexham. He knows his way to Wrexham, so he wasn't really paying a lot of attention to the sat-nav. It was only when he wanted detailed information he couldn't hear it. So the sequence of buttons is menu, setup, and it will come up with the word setup here. You need to come down to voice, and then it says at the top voice volume. If you click on voice volume, you can turn the volume up and down. I've turned it all the way off at the moment, so if I quickly put something into there, I'm going to the Chinese, press start. The volume is very, very low, really, really low. Let's exit that, press start again. I'll shut up, but I'll press start and listen.
Head west on Northey, then make a U-turn.
Really, really low. So what you need to do, back to menu, back to setup, back to voice, back to voice volume, turn the volume up on that slider on the plus and minuses. Let's go back to satellite navigation. Let's exit it again and restart the route and listen to the difference in volume.
Head west on Northey, then make a U-turn.
That's how you change the volume when you've got your phone plugged into your Apple CarPlay or your Android Auto. Thank you very much for watching the video. Please consider clicking like. Please consider subscribing to the channel. Thank you for watching.